Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl All Things Shannon. Welcome my old subscribers, my new subscribers. Today I'm here to share with you how I make my spicy Szechuan stir-fried chicken with brown rice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. It will let you know each time I post a video. Okay, let's get cooking. The first thing that I'm doing is I'm getting ready to boil my water for my rice. And the rice that I'm using is by Success Boiling Bag brown rice. You can pick this up from your local supermarket. I cut up 3 chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm seasoning my chicken. I'm using season all, onion powder, garlic powder. With my clean hands, you want to mix all that in together. In a pan, I added extra virgin olive oil. I added the chicken to the pan. You want to cook this for 3 minutes on each side. Now that the chicken is done, I'm going to take it out of the pan and put it into a bowl. Now I'm adding the rest of the chicken. Repeat the same process. Let this cook for 3 minutes on each side. All the chicken is done. Now I'm going to set it aside and get started on the vegetables. With this dish, you can also use shrimp or steak, or all three. In my wok, I added extra virgin olive oil. I chopped up 1 small red onion, and I also added 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now I'm adding broccoli. You can use fresh broccoli or frozen broccoli. Now I'm adding the California style vegetable mix. Now mix it all together. Let this simmer for 10 minutes before adding the chicken. Now I'm adding the chicken. Let this simmer until the vegetables get a little bit more soft. Earlier today, I made my spicy Szechuan sauce. That's going to be on another video where I show you guys how to make it. But these are the ingredients that I use to make it. I use soy sauce, cornstarch, water, brown sugar, sherry cooking wine, rice vinegar, salt, sesame seed oil, ginger, garlic, onion, and red pepper flakes. And this is an Asian sauce. Now I'm adding the sauce. Mix it all in. Let this simmer for 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook your vegetables because you want your vegetables to have a little bit of crunch. This is how my spicy Szechuan stir-fried chicken turned out. It smells and it looks amazing. I served it over brown rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on today, and don't forget to go and check out my other recipes. Until next time, bye guys.